Hello everyone, my name is Dikasio Agung Basana, and now I'm going to explain you about our ISAS. It's called Image Security Using Data Encryption Standard Secret Key Chippering, made by me, Ricardo Agung Basana, and my friend Sadat Muhammad Fisbullah. What is Data Encryption Standard? Data Encryption Standard, or DES, is a symmetric key block chipper published by the National Institute of Standard and Technology, or NIST. It was published as FIPS 44 in the Federal Register in January 1977. DES has been the most widely used symmetric key block chipper since its publication. DES is a block chipper. While performing the encryption, DES takes a 64-bit plain text and creates a 64-bit ciphertext. At the decryption stage, DES takes 64-bit of ciphertext and creates a 64-bit of block of plain text. The same 56 cipher key is used for both encryption and decryption. Next is what is the benefit of data encryption standard. DES was submitted by the IBM in the United States of government in 1970s to secure unclassified and sensitive government information. It used a symmetric key as a method to encrypt and decrypt the data. Both sender and receiver would have the correct private key to unlock the data. The standard had its detail published in the Federal Register, making it possible for general public to study it, review it, and find the weakness from the standard. Because it was public, commercial organizations also were able to use it. Over time, it proved to be insufficient in protecting data for the government and the commercial data. It has been replaced with Advanced Encryption Standard, or AES, which can encrypt more information at once and more complex. And then I'm gonna tell about the advantage and the disadvantage of data encryption standard. First, I'm gonna explain about the advantage. The first one, DES is 56 bits of key. It means there are more than 2 to the power of 56 possibility of the key, which will take a decade to find the correct key using the brute force attack. The second one, the encryption and the decryption takes the same algorithm, only that the function need to be reversed and the key should be taken in opposite order. This is very convenient for software and hardware requirement. And the third one, the encrypted key is a cheaper key, which can be expanded into a longer key or a larger key, which is later used for other operation. Then I'm gonna explain about the disadvantage. The first one is weak keys. The key that is selected on the round are the problem. During the splitting of the key to two halves and swapping them might throw up the result in the same position if they have continuous ones or zeros. This end up using the same key through the 16 cycle. The second one, there can be the same output from the F boxes on the different on a different input on permutation. These are called semi-weak keys. The third one, if the message is encrypted with the particular key and it's taken once complement of that encryption will be the same as the encryption of the complement message and the complement key.
Hello everyone, my name is Adam Muhammad Isbullah. In here I want to explaining about the data encryption standard. The first that I want to explain about the algorithm of data encryption standard, or we can call it a DES. A DES is considered as a symmetric key block cipher algorithm. The first step, we need to take the 64-bit input as our the key for the encryption. Then we're gonna do the initial permutation. After that, we're gonna swap it to left and right. We're gonna repeat this step again until 3 and 4. After that, we're gonna reverse the initial permutation. After that, we're gonna receive the encrypted key, or we can this encrypted key get from this 64-bit input. After that, after we know about the encryption standard about this DES, I gonna explain about the image encryption and description algorithm. The first that I want to explain step by step about this image encryption. First step, we need to read the secret image from the user input. After that, we're gonna create the sequence of the prime numbers based on this shuffled image. After that, we're gonna scramble the image with the help of the pseudo-random generator. And then we can shift the resultant image to right or left key times, then convert it to the binary. And then we're gonna perform bitwise complement in each pixel prior to that shuffle each bit in every pixel. Lastly, we're gonna apply this DES algorithm into this step. After we already perform this step by step, we're gonna receive the image that already been encrypted by the DES. After that, after we know about the encryption picture, we can read this picture because this picture already lost their originality. And then if we want to read this image, we're gonna do the decryption algorithm. There are 4 steps for this decryption algorithm. The first step, we're gonna get this encrypted image and then shift it in the reverse direction of the encryption process. And then apply this and change every pixel into binary. Take bitwise complement of every pixel and shuffle it as in transmitting process. And lastly, we can descramble the image using pseudo-random generator and the prime numbers. Okay, that's all from me about the basic then this data encryption standard and this encryption and decryption algorithm. Thank you for your attention.
By seeing this figure, we can see that the user will input the original photo in the input block. After that, the system will encrypt it and place it into the encrypted block using the DES algorithm. Then, the decrypted block is the result of the decryption of the photo. This is the example of the result. And then the conclusion from this information that we give in the paper about image security using data encryption standard secret key chiffring. This is one of the most advanced technology that we can be used for sharing or sending some sensitive, secret, or classified information through the internet without being knowing by anybody else in the internet. From the ISAS, we hope that the readers can understand and interested to keep innovating the system so that in the future we can see this technology are more widely to be used and more easy to use. Okay, this is the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening.